Tires are the biggest component of a bike. I mean, whether you have traction, whether you have electronics, but the best shoe that you will wear, you'll run that much more comfortably. So tires are your shoes.
My passion for motorcycling actually is more than a passion, it's a way of life. I live motorcycles, it's part of my life.
I think it's my zen. So people do different things to, get in touch with themselves. And I meditate while I'm riding.
So I'm pretty surprised, pleasantly surprised at the way these tires have behaved with me and on the Indian roads. I would believe that these would be ideal for Indian conditions where you're not necessarily riding on good roads, but you can also have, a little patches of road where there's a bit of gravel, there's a bit of its uneven surface.
Another part which I tried on this was pushing it on gravel. And on gravel I got really good feedback. Most tires, road tires, don't give you very good feedback on gravel. And I was throttling out on gravel as well. And it was really good fun. This set of road tires gave me a lot of comfort when I was exiting the apex also and throttling out. So very good feel. I could feel the track, I could feel where I was and where I was going, it was going there only.
I like tires that give me total feedback on the road. If there's a matchstick lying on the road, I want to feel it.
Braking was very good. I tried a couple of times, pushed it really hard as well, came down from 120 on to 0. And that too with a bit of a lean as well. I'm very impressed with them.
It's a 2CT compound, okay, it's a dual compound tire. The side leaning is pretty good, it's pretty decent. I think it's the ideal tire for these kind of machines when you are touring or regular riding. It may not be ideal for the track, but this is ideal for regular riding.
I think I've not done the full limit today, but I've reached almost 75–80% of the lean angle that you could on it. So with that, very good response.
Today morning there was a little bit of rain and I wanted to try it out there, and what I did was, when I reached the wet surface, I had already done more than 300 kilometers, so I just backed up in the throttle just to see how much of tailspin I would get, how much of fishtailing it would do, and I was again pretty surprised that it held on, it held its ground.
And especially the tread pattern, which is quite unique to this one. So I have not seen this on many other tires, which is quite good. I think that adds to it, so it just lets the water get away much faster.
If you're riding in the hills, especially to Shimla, or even for Lonavala near Bombay and all these places, you have fabulous twisties, and you take these tires there, lean out there, come out of the apex, you feel good. You feel good. You're good to go, you have these tires, at least you have a choice.
Tires, it's easier to get a bike than a tire in India.
Most important is that these tires are now available. I can buy these tires. Earlier, finding tires was a challenge. And if you look closely at the tires, they are ISI stamped, marked, branded. So, good to go.